The product in your hand is Anit Electric Radiator equipped with a smart system control through Wi-Fi. By using an electric radiator in places where accessing to gas is difficult or in places where there is no hot water piping system, you can benefit from its optimal heat. In addition, as Anit radiator is made of pure aluminum, it has ability to save energy while gives you pleasant heat output. One of the best things about Smart Control is that it gives you the ability to program your heating through your phone and Wi-Fi, providing sophisticated heat management. Anit Electric Radiator is unique in design and performance, which is explained separately in the Control System Setup Guide video. What tools do you need? Spirit level, electric drill, brackets, dowels and screws, tape measure, screwdriver. First of all, you need to determine the location of the radiator on the wall. Choose a place that is close to the electrical outlet and be sure to use an outlet with earth pin. Otherwise, in case of any problem due to power fluctuations, the radiator will be out of guarantee. Do not install the radiator under the window if you use long curtains. The radiator must be installed at least 13.5 centimeters above the floor. Each side of the radiator should be installed with a distance of at least 15 centimeters from the side walls. Your product is supplied with 4 fixing brackets. They are specially designed for Anit radiator. 2 of them is designed for the top collector and 2 of them is designed for the lower collector. You can adjust the height of top bracket during or after installation. All of our radiators are supplied with a template to help you install them easily. In order to start the procedure, place the template on the wall with the minimum height of 15 centimeters from the floor. Marking and drilling the holes using the template. Then place the dowels and tighten the screws. Place the radiator onto the top brackets. Screw the top bracket down to its lowest height. Place the radiator from bottom to the brackets. Tighten the radiator by screwing up the top bracket. Turn on the heating element manually. For any product, if the power cable is damaged, it must be replaced by a specific cable. The replacement of the cable must be done by the maker, its after-sales service or qualified personnel.